Now we have come to module 16. So writing the date. Please keep a track of your work. That's why I keep telling you write the date every day. So now divide the page into two equal halves. So I'm drawing a line. So now the alphabets I taught you were C, A, D, G, Q and O. So we learned the formation, how to form these alphabets. Now I'll teach you how to connect these alphabets to make words. Only these alphabets, only these 6 alphabets I am connecting to make words. So the aim of this exercise, this is a formation. This side is the formation part and this side it's the spacing part. How much of space should be left between the letters while forming a word. So let me start with the first word. Okay. Now just watch carefully. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, 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 close it down, stop it. Make a thin loop. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, slanting up, close it, stop it. Bend it down, back, slanting, up, down on the same line, up. Okay. So normally what I do is I show the children where they have to start by keeping dots so that they'll start correctly on the dot wherever I have started my G here. So their O should be right below my O, the D should be right below my D. If the word should fit within this range. If it is going beyond this, it means your spacing is too much. If it is too close to each other, that means your spacing is not proper. It's not enough. So I'll keep doing. Now I write the first line and tell the children to write below my writing. So I'll just write keep seeing. Okay. What I expect. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, close it, down, stop it. Make a thin loop, cut it, back, close it, stop it, bend it down, back, slanting, up and down. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, close it, down, stop it. Bend it down, back, close it. Bend it down, back, slanting, up, slanting, down on the same line, up. A mild sharpening. Sorry. Now this one. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back slanting, close it, down, stop it, make a thin loop, bend it down, back, close it, bend it down, back slanting, up, down on the same line, up. So let's go to the next word. 3 times are more than enough. The next one is slanting stroke, bend it down, back, 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 close it, down. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, close it, down. Stop it. Make a thin loop. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, slanting up, go to the other side and out. Slightly it went above the line, should not. Okay, correctly stop it on the blue line. So now again, keep dots to show the children that this is the place where they have to point at which they have to start the word. Slanting stroke, bend it down. 1 second, I'll just adjust the notebook. Sorry, very sorry. Close it. I'll erase it and do it because this patchwork, no, if I teach the children, they'll start doing that only. They'll hesitate to erase and do it. They become lazy. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, 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 close it down. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, close it down, stop it. So all the strokes you are using here, can you understand? You are using all the strokes. Slanting stroke, bend it down is used. You are making a triangle. Then again bend it down is used. You are going down, stopping it. You are making a loop. So instead of saying the alphabet A, G, O, you can say like this: slanting stroke, bend it down, back, close it down. Slanting stroke, bend it down, G. Slanting stroke, bend it down, O. Okay. So this is done. Now we'll go to the next word. Next word is, oh sorry, slanting stroke, bend it down, C. Slanting stroke, bend it down, O. Bend it down, back slanting, up slanting, down on the same line, up. So I've done this word. Again, keep the dots from wherever they have to start. Now we'll write the word. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back. Stop it, bend it down, back slanting, up slanting, down on the same line, up. Bend it down, back slanting, up. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back. Bend it down, back, up, down on the same line, up. Okay, can you see? Can you see the alignment? See, when we keep the dot, see how it comes straight. Otherwise, what children do? They write it here, they write it here, they write it here. Alignment won't be there. So they have to learn the alignment also. So now we'll come to the last word. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back slanting, up, down on the same line. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, close it. Bend it down, back, come down, stop it, make a thin loop, cut it at the blue line. So again, keep the dots for them. Initially, after a particular, maybe when we go to capitals, I tell them to write without the dots. Because at that time, they learn the alignment also. It will be very simple for them. So now we'll go to the word dog. Slanting stroke, bend it down, O. Bend it down, back slanting, up, come down, stop it, make a thin loop, cut it at the blue line. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, up, come down on the same line. Bend it down, back, close it. Bend it down, back, close it, down, stop it, then loop, cut it. Then we'll go to the last time. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, long slanting stroke down. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, close it. Back slanting, up, down, stop it, make a thin loop, cut it. So we have finished all the bend it downs and we have learned how to write words. So keep practicing children, keep practicing so that now you will be an expert in bend it downs. Okay, thank you.